Hey, Jorrit here, sharing survival. Today I'm building a gym machine from a single tree. Living out here in the forest, staying strong matters. These gymnastic rings are incredibly versatile. However, they are missing two important compound exercises: the squat and the deadlift. Today I'm going to fix that. I still have leftover logs from the cabin build, peeled, dried and ready to go. Let's see if we can turn this tree into a real gym machine. Here you can clearly see that it is not stable enough yet in the length of the lever. So I will have to come up with a solution for that. I want to make an easy system that contains of two compartments: the lever and the stabilizing log. The idea is simple: create resistance using only what the forest gives me. The problem is, it needs to be stable, otherwise it can become dangerous pretty fast. Out here, mistakes cost energy, and energy is everything. I started to think less like a builder and more like the machine itself. Where does the force go? What moves? And what stays fixed? This could work, not perfect, but close. My goal is to keep this under 50 kilos empty, so I could still shoulder press it. Honestly, I do not know how heavy it is so far. We will discover this later. The squat feels better already, but of course, when used loaded, this could be a potentially very dangerous situation without a proper stop. And I have just the right idea for that. Let's see if this actually works. Wait until you see how heavy this shoulder press is. Here you can clearly see I came up with this idea in the morning. The deadlift is obviously not gonna work like this. Lowering the pivot brings the movement into a straighter line. More up and down, less swing. The force stays where it should be, through the body. Not forward, not drifting, just straight, throughout the lift. That's what makes it feel real, closer to a true squat and a true deadlift. More control, more strength where it matters. Torque is force multiplied by distance. The further away you go, the more resistance you create. If that distance increases evenly, the weight increases evenly too. Theoretically, there is one final issue with this machine. Because of the leverage, you lose a bit of resistance at the top of the movement, compared to a real deadlift or squat. But with a 5-meter lever, this is barely noticeable. Still, there is a way to fix it. Chains. The higher you move, the more chain leaves the ground, and the heavier the lift becomes. Matching the strength curve, making the top just as demanding as the bottom. Simple solution, using weight that builds with you. Honestly, I didn't expect it to feel like this. Really smooth. No gym, no machines, no shortcuts. Just wood and intention. You don't need perfect conditions to get stronger. You need to adapt. This started as a tree. Now it's a tool. And that's what survival is. Turning what you have into what you need. If you're out here with me, stay strong. This was Sharing Survival, and until next time.